guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video, and this video is a part of the challenge that is hosted by lovely Heidi. Her channel is Heidi Sonboul DIY. This is her monthly DIY challenge, and the theme for this month is fall/Halloween. I'm sure you already know Heidi, but if you don't, all the information about her will be linked in the description below. She's an amazing crafter and creator. I loved everything she's doing, and I've been following her for quite some time. But okay, I got a couple of DIYs for you, and I hope you will enjoy it. So for now, let's get to the DIY. Okay, I need the spray paint, this 3 pizza pan, and I will be using again my Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte. So in this regard, there's other project drying on the table, so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so for this project, I'll be using a chalk paint in the color of pumpkin. Then I got some ribbons from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make an additional ribbon using the Dollar Tree. Well, I'm gonna use the bow. I'm gonna make an additional bow from this ribbon. And then I got a couple of this. This is from Dollar Tree, you know, some of the leftovers from the project. I'm saving the scraps. Then I got one of those maple bouquet that I'm gonna use. A tiny pumpkin that I'm not sure if I'm gonna use, you know, because things can change. And I got this what is that called, ribbon diamond wrap in a pumpkin. So I'm hoping I can use it as a decoration, but for now I'm gonna paint, and it's all dry. As you could tell, I used the E6000. I already showed you. It stayed overnight, so now it's dried. And then I'll use the a jute I'll attach to this so I can hang this on the wall. Okay guys, this is dried. This probably wasn't a smart idea to glue it before I paint. So now I'm gonna paint it, and then after I'm done painting it, even though I do have my Cricut, but I still not comfortable using it, and I always want to have a different options. So I print this out on a regular printer, and I have a transfer paper, so when my paint is dry I will transfer this this picture on my board, outline it, and then I want the truck to be orange, which I will use a pumpkin shade of chalk paint. Then I will make a wheels with the truffle color of the chalk paint. So that's what we will be doing. And then the flowers, of course, I think I'm gonna use the yellow. I don't have a yellow chalk paint, so I'll use just a regular yellow acrylic paint, or whatever paint you got is gonna work. So, and I brought some jute just in case. So for the painting of my whole thing, I'll use the Beverly in plaster color, and I will do a dry distress with my dry brush, kind of give it a, you know, farmhouse looky. And to decorate the basket, you can fill the basket with whatever you want. I got some decorative pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and got some leaves, and anything you feel like it. You can do sunflowers. So anyway, so this is what we're gonna do to this piece right now. Let's start painting. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out really cute, and I just love it. I love this time of the year and all the decorations that we are creating. But anyway, if you want to see more video in this theme, there's a playlist in the description below. I linked it there, so you can go check it out. All my lovely friends / creators who are participating in this challenge, all the videos are linked in there, so you just can click and continue watching. But for me, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my small YouTube family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much. Be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.